Do you have a tractor or heavy equipment that needs maintenance or repair in or near Temecula, California? If so, we have great news for you. Tractor Repair San Diego is a mobile tractor repair business that now serves Temecula, CA and towns nearby. This includes Murrieta, Rainbow, Hemet, Winchester, Lake Elsinore, French Valley, Pala, other areas in North San Diego and southern Riverside County. Just call to see if we service your area, 760-201-1609. Need tractor repair Temecula? Why take the time and expense to haul your equipment to a mechanic shop far away? If you need tractor service, or tractor maintenance, or other farm equipment repair, including other agricultural machinery repair, or go to www.tractorrepairsandiego.com to find tractor repair service near me. With our 5-star Google reviews rating, we are the best tractor repair service in the area. Whether you need emergency tractor repair, or feel you need other services from a tractor repair shop, let Tractor Repair San Diego come to you. Call today at 760-201-1609 or go to www.tractorrepairsandiego.com today.